Hey guys, okay, so what you are going to do on Monday, so A-Day kiddos, you will first receive this packet. So this is the packet that you guys, it was uploaded in last Thursday's folder, but you guys were not here, so hopefully you were able to print off the first couple pages, or you just use the screen to write it down on your own paper. So now you will receive this from the sub, so if the sub does not give this to you, just make sure to ask, or Miss Carter. So we have essentially completed the first couple of pages. What you're going to do first is you are going to go to this page. It says graphing an absolute value equation. And then what you're going to do is this very first video that's right here, embedded right here, you are going to play this video. So hopefully you have your earbuds and headphones, okay? As you play the video, you're going to be able to fill in this information, okay? You're going to fill in that information and you're going to graph it using that 2 to 3 minute video. Then once you're done with that 2 to 3 minute video, you're going to take the information that you just learned and you are going to try to do the back to the best of your ability. Okay? You should be able to fill in all this. That shouldn't be a problem. Once you're done with that, or if you're confused on that, then what I want for you to do next is go to these notes right here. Okay, so this notes, absolute value coordinate grid graphing notes. Those notes go along with the next front, front pages in here. So you're going to watch those notes and take these notes. Then if you need to, you're going to go back and finish this guide if you didn't have enough information before. This video asks for you to complete the back page of those notes, so questions 6 through 13. So if you have time in class, you'll do that in class. If you don't have time in class, you will do that outside of class. And you will do it for homework. Make sure to come to class Tuesday with those finished, okay? This material that we went over today will not be on your quiz, just everything before this in this unit. All right, thanks, guys.